Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type MRT and press Enter to launch the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Once the tool opens, click Next. You will see three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. Select Quick Scan and click Next to begin scanning for threats. If the tool finds anything suspicious, it will automatically remove it for you. Next, press Windows plus R again, type netplwiz and hit Enter. This opens the User Accounts window. Look closely at the list of users. If you see any unfamiliar or suspicious names, select the account and click Remove to block unauthorized access to your PC. Now, open Settings, search for Startup, and select Startup Apps. Scan the list for any unknown applications that you don't remember installing. If you see something suspicious, click the toggle to disable it. This prevents unauthorized programs from running in the background when your computer starts. That's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.